Team Titan at Remax Peninsula, and today we're visiting with Pointe Wellness Center in the heart of Hilton Village. This is the passion project of Haley Hanlon and Vicki Lanier. I think the first question would probably be, what is a wellness center? Well, why don't you follow me on in, and I'm going to answer all those questions for you. Here to answer our question, what exactly is a wellness center and how can it help me and why should it matter to me, is one of our owners, and this is Haley Hanlon.
Hi, thanks. So what Pointe Wellness Center is, we have uniquely brought together mental health counseling with other holistic modalities such as yoga, massage, nutrition, etc. They're all research-based and focused on whole person wellness, so mind, body, and spirit wholly.
Which is my favorite thing. And I think if I had to describe it, I would say Pointe Wellness offers hope and healing for the entire mind, body, spirit. Leave it to Laney to find the jewelry. It is my favorite. So tell me what I'm looking at here because I love this necklace.
Yeah, so a lot of our retail items are locally sourced. Many of the items come from local artists, and they're here on consignment. The jewelry, the sun catchers that were over there, much of the art that you'll see as you flow through Pointe Wellness Center. And this necklace in particular is a mala bead necklace. And mala beads,
speaking my language.
Yes.
Slow that down a little.
Yes. So mala beads are precious and semi-precious stones, and you can see on that tray there, they're all listed out, and the stones all have different meanings and different energies about them. And the mala beads are in groups of 108, which is a sacred number, and it helps you with your meditation practice. So you can count the mala beads in sections of 108 as you meditate.
And stay focused.
Maybe
I should just wear one of those all the time in this account so I can remain focused.
Absolutely.
Alrighty, I do not understand the science behind this. This is the neuro-optimal. And although, like I said, I don't understand the science, I just know that it works. But this lady can tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, so this neuro-optimal is a form of neurofeedback, and really its purpose is to help your brain get back to optimal status. And it does that by providing feedback towards your brain. You'll hear it in blips in the music, and that is the system responding to the pathways of your brain. And it is working with the neuroplasticity in your brain.